Amazon Basics Silicone Non-Stick Food-Safe Baking Mat. The Amazon Basics Silicone Non-Stick Baking Mat set is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. This pack of 4 mats is made from food-safe silicone, ensuring safe and reliable use with all your favorite recipes. The non-stick surface eliminates the need for cooking sprays or parchment paper, making baking healthier and more eco-friendly. Heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, these mats are perfect for cookies, pastries, roasted vegetables, and more. Designed to fit standard baking sheets, they simplify cleanup and prevent food from sticking. The durable silicone construction ensures even heat distribution for consistent results. Easy to clean, they're dishwasher-safe and reusable for countless bakes. Lightweight and flexible, they store easily in small spaces. Ideal for both novice and experienced bakers, these mats offer convenience and versatility. Upgrade your baking essentials with the Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat Set.